Do you like saving time and energy? I know I do. And if you're like me, then you should definitely consider getting an auto open heat press. Wait a second, what's auto open? I'm glad you asked. Auto open is a feature found on clamshell style heat presses like the Signature Pro 15 by 15 inch. It allows the heat press to open automatically when your transfer is complete. And this is a little bit different from a standard heat press where the press must be both closed and opened manually. Here's how it works. There's a strong electromagnet positioned under the handle. And when the handle is lowered, the magnet is engaged, latching onto the handle. This locks the heat press in the closed position. Now when the timer on the heat press reaches 0, the magnet is automatically disengaged and the hold is released. The pressure that was being applied now works to pop the machine open, and then the hydraulic shocks take over, raising the heating element all the way back to the raised open position. The biggest benefit with auto open is going to be an increase in efficiency. While your garment is being pressed, you can start prepping the next item without worrying about having to rush back to open your heat press on time. I love the peace of mind in knowing that I'll never overpress or burn a garment with auto open. And it also helps to reduce operator fatigue since it cuts your physical effort in half. Now that might not be a big deal when you're pressing maybe like 20 or 30 shirts, but if you have to press 100 t-shirts, trust me, your arms and your back will thank you for getting an auto open machine. Auto open is also a great tool for bringing consistency to your process since all of your transfers will have the exact same dwell time. And look, you should never leave your heat press unattended when it's on. But if something needs your immediate attention, and I'm looking at you, heat pressers with kids or pets in the house, you can step away from your press for a brief moment without issue. With lots of auto open presses out there, you want one that is built to last and backed by manufacturer support. The Signature Series auto open heat presses are a great example of that. There's a reason why Signature Series heat presses are found in thousands of print shops across the country. Heat Press Nation's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction simply cannot be beat. At Heat Press Nation, we have the largest selection of professional heat press machines in the USA. In addition to the Signature Series auto open heat presses shown in this video, we have tons of other heat presses available with machines to suit everyone from hobbyists to small businesses to commercial print shops. You can browse our selection and purchase your own auto open heat press today at heatpressnation.com.